Now, October the 5th, which was yesterday, was day one for finalists in universities and technical and vocational education and training schools since March, when the pandemic occasioned the shutting down of learning institutions. But even as the phased resumption progresses, a proposal has been made to increase public university fees. Anita Nkonge reports.
Back to school. A phrase that became a distant reality, but now it is getting back into circulation. Universities and technical and vocational education and training institution students are the first group to be incorporated in the phased opening of the country's education system. Amid concerns of a potential second wave of the virus, the Ministry of Education insists that the institutions have the relevant health protocols in place and that the teachers and students are safe.
This should actually give hope to our children who are still at home that the government has decided to start reopening in phases.
Of all the institutions in the country, I doubt there are any that has prepared as our technical institutions. We've gone round, and I think maybe also because they also produce a lot of the equipment themselves.
The ministry says that the COVID-19 pandemic has helped trigger change within the ministry.
In university education, the specific universities were able to develop their own programs that they would relay, or they would have learners access digitally. In TVET, incidentally, this was missing completely. So immediately COVID started, we put a team together. They have come up with guidelines. They have started developing the infrastructure so that we can start with soft courses that can easily be digitized and accessed virtually.
However, students who go to public universities may see their tuition fees rise after Vice Chancellors put out a proposal to increase the payments. Higher Education Research Principal Secretary Simon Nabukwesi, citing the pandemic's blow to the economy, said that the review of fees policy would save universities from collapse. The proposal has been forwarded to the Cabinet and is also to be forwarded to the National Assembly for approval before end of year. If passed into law, students are expected to start paying the new fees starting next year, paying 48,000 shillings a year, up from the current subsidized fee of 16,000 Kenyan shillings. Anita Nkonge, NTV.